for you guys. Kickflip, baby. Guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode. We got Gabe here, we got Charlie. Today we're gonna be doing brakes on the EK just to get ready more for the track. As you can see right here, the rotors are all destroyed and crusty. And then we're also gonna be using new brake pads. We're gonna be using the Hog HPS brake pads. So let me PB blast this for now, and then I'll show you guys what I got in terms of what brake system we're gonna be using. So read that down, that down. Ugh. So we're gonna let that soak. We're gonna let all the rust come off, and then after that we'll break it loose. But right now let me show you guys what I got in terms of this whole brake job. Everything's gonna be brand new basically, so let's get to the unboxing of the components. So let's get this unboxing going. Alright guys, so first with all the stuff that we got, we'll basically open the rear set right now. This is the rear set for the car. As you can see, brake shoes. And what brake shoes mean is that it's still a drum. So in the rears of the EX, they're drum brakes. So you use the shoes, and it's not your basic rotor, brake pad, and caliper setup. This one, they always last like a while, and I don't really need to do the whole disc conversion yet until I need more stopping power, because all the stopping power is basically in the front. So with that being said, the rears are still gonna stay drum until later on. And then now we get to the big juicy part, which is the fronts. So with this first package right here, it's not AEM, trust, it's just the packaging. So these right here, we're gonna be using for the track, the Hog HPS pads. I was recommended to buy this by Dominic from JTT, which I did get all these parts from. All the front parts I did get from JTT Performance out in Florida. So big shout out to Dominic for helping me out. If you guys need any parts, feel free to contact him on Facebook or on their Instagram and just DM them, because they're the ones that really helped me out with all my parts, and they've been supporting me since day one. So now, obviously, with the fronts, we will be needing a better rotor. Our stoptech front rotors right here. Ooh, got the nice stickers, bruh. Stoptech right there. And with these are the slotted front rotors, and man, they look good. Like me. Gabe, you like them? They're nice, clean, huh? Yeah, so these are really dope. I can't wait to rock these, and it's gonna make the front look a lot nicer and more aggressive as well. Yeah, with that, I have two of them. Obviously front and left. Obviously right and left. That's basically all the, oh wait, no. I got one more part. I'm just playing. So, with a good brake setup, you know, oh, these aren't even, oh, these are the wrong, give me a second. So, with a good brake setup, you know, you're gonna be driving pretty hard, right? It's gonna be really hot on the brakes, you know? So, what I got was stoptech stainless steel lines for the brakes. I got the front and the rear. So the rear I won't be able to use until I upgrade to the SI calipers and do the whole rear disc conversion. But the fronts we'll be able to use when I'm trying to get first place. You know, like Ricky Bobby said, if you ain't first, you last.
It's a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
So when I'm trying to get first place, I'm just like banging through the gears and I brake, you're gonna have less chance of burning through your rubber little brake lines. So we got upgraded brake lines, stoptech, front and rear stainless steel lines. Like I said, Dominic from JTT Performance. Follow him, ask for all your parts from him, and let him know I sent you, because your boy is not sponsored, but still, let him know.
Boy over here. My boy there.
What's up, dude?
Dude, is this your new VIP?
Hey, VIP, bro.
Yeah, we got that guy over there.
Subarus are not allowed because I wreck them all the time, bro.
Fucking, I'll talk.
Hey, me too. 200 horse.
JK.
Watch Dylan's video.
My boba.
Can't finish it.
Thank you.
What is that? Oh, it's a camera.
Dude,
I was
this
like,
is for YouTube, bro.
This is the guy I'm gonna be going with on the track day, Laguna Seca, February
Yeah, I think third.
3rd. What
Or
club?
you-
Third.
A membership of someplace. Yeah, the third.
Third.
We could do March 2nd.
Third.
Yeah.
All right, we'll aim for 3. We'll aim for the 3rd. If not, we'll aim for March 2nd.
You can take your car.
No.
Why not?
No, dude. That's my garage queen. She don't move. All right. What club are we going
garage?
with? What club are we going with?
Forgot. It's not San Francisco.
All right, it's the Richie and Royce Club. All right. It's the 4-banger club, so we'll be there. First, what do you want, dude?
No, it's
All right, so first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these 2 screws right here, the top one and the bottom one. It's gonna be removed by the 12mm. Remove that, and then we'll be. After that, we can do whatever we need to do. Alright guys, now what we gotta do is get the 17mm bolts, one right here as well, and then after you break that, you'll be able to take this caliper bracket off. We got the caliper bracket off. Now it's time to hammer this hoe. What we did is we put PV blaster on there. We have an impact screwdriver, and then we're gonna hit it with a hammer and then try to break it loose. Dude, this whole rubber part is like moving.
I know, right? This fucking little, I don't know what that piece, this is
The grip is slipping and turning to the left.
You need a different.
Take it to a shop, guys. This is not worth it, bro. Just you spend the money. I don't do any of my car installs.
Go.
Yeah. Oh, we just keep hitting it, guys. You don't turn and do it. You just keep hitting it. Wow.
It was at this moment
Dylan.
knew he fucked up.
Oh, you stripped it. Oh.
Dude, this broke.
Oh. You broke it inside? What the fuck? He broke it inside the screw. What I'm gonna do is just gonna drill this whole screw out and pray for the best.
He's never going to the track.
Has a sister?
I think it's broken. I think it broke. This is headlight.
There it is.
You got it? Yeah, it is breaking.
I do this for a living. My sister just called me to shut the fuck up. Easy money, baby. Here, this is the screw now. We have to drill it out. Yeah, look at that. Boom. So you just gotta drill it out, have faith, confidence, and you'll proceed with success. Gang. Now we got both the rotors off. Don't pay shops, guys. You guys can do it.
You need to take it to a shop, guys. This is not worth it, bro. Just you spend the money.
If we can do it, you can do it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the stainless steel lines. First, we're gonna watch some YouTube videos on how to do it, and then we will install ourselves. So we'll be right back with you guys for the stainless steel line install, as well as put on the new rotor, put on the new brake pads, and it's gonna be lit. Dude, I'm so close to 5,000 subs, bro. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the stainless steel lines right now. What we're gonna do is first is remove this 14mm bolt and make sure you have something to catch all the brake fluid in. Just some nice fluid, boys. Next up, y'all, you gotta remove this. This is a 12mm. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this, this, I believe this is a 10mm nut, and then that's gonna release this part so that the hard line can stay right here. We're gonna plug it up, remove this, and then replace it with the stoptech stainless steel lines provided by JTT Performance. Make sure you guys hit up Dominic on Facebook and on Facebook. I'm gonna punch this. I need the mallet. Let's get the mallet.
It's not a mallet.
Yep, there it is. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the rear brakes tomorrow. What we did was we got this like little clip right here that clips the hard line, or basically your fucking brake line onto the hard line. Take that off. Use this. You're gonna be your best friend. Move that. We're gonna open this up, and there is something here that StopTech provides, which is like a little rubber, like little nipple, and that's supposed to help stop the hard line from leaking any more fluid, because you don't want it to run these things dry, you know. Pull up your shaft. It's basically like, you know what I'm talking about, when you get born and then like it's not snip snip. So you pull the head back, you'll expose the head of the hard line, and then you just put that sucker on, you know. Protection is key. Make sure you guys use a supplied washer.
Can't see.
Is it in? Oh. Oh my God. Alright, make sure you guys just tighten that up real quick. Like that. Then what it's basically gonna do is it's gonna mount up like that.
I'm still recording.
Like this. Yeah.
Still learning.
Gosh. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this to the hard line. And after we connect to the hard line, this is a 17 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and thread this in first. Then we thread it all together. You know what I'm saying, baby? Alright, so Dylan, take off the nipple. Yeah, set it in. Go ahead.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So now that we got the lines in, it's not gonna sit in all the way. That's just how it is. Even when you break it, hey, you almost hit me. Even when you break it, it's gonna be like that. So now what we do is we put the retaining clip in so it stays in place. Oh, dang, I'm not strong enough. All right, Dylan, hit it with the hammer. See, now it's in place. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bolt in right here, but we're not doing that yet until we get all the brakes and the rotors back all together, so that we can put the brake caliper bracket on, and then we can put the caliper on, put the brakes on. Get it! Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna reset the piston on the brake caliper. You can use your old brakes and just sit it right there. Use a big C-clamp, because the bigger the better, you know what I'm saying? Just reset. See, as you can see, it's pushing in the piston. All right.
Ooh, covered in oil.
All right, see. So now the piston's reset. Now we can put the brakes on.
Go wash your hands.
Smash. Yeah. There it is. Woo! All right, guys. So now it's seated in place. I'm not gonna put the stupid little screws in anymore, because I don't want it to seize up again and me having to do the whole drilling part. So I mean, this is safe. You just have to put the wheel on. Obviously the wheel will keep it all in place. The screw is just there for extra precaution, but since the wheel's not gonna fall off, the rotor won't fall off. Let's just hope it doesn't fall off. But yeah. Oh, so you know, we just put everything back together. I don't know if you just do the reverse of what we just did, and then you'll know what to do, bro. We're leaving this there for now. Like I said, the wheel will hold it in place, so it'll be stuck and tight. And yeah, dude, you know, yeah. This isn't a tutorial. This is just showing you guys how we installed this.
You just finished the. What are you doing?
Cleaning it, dude.
You're just making it more. Is that the dirty rag?
No, it's a clean rag.
Jesus, oh my goodness.
Jesus.
Look at that angle. Ooh, so fucking loud.
Oh, that looks good, dude. Alright, guys, so we did finish the front end slotted rotor / stainless steel line / brake pad install today on the EK. As you can see, it's cold. As you can see here, we got the StopTech rotor. Looks super nice. Then we got the Hawk HPS pad. Then we got the stainless steel line right there. We are one step closer, boys, to getting onto the track. Tomorrow I will be starting the rear drum with Gabe and Dylan again. Dylan will be coming back here tomorrow, as well as Gabe. We're gonna do that. Then we're gonna bleed the whole line. So watch out for the next video. This is gonna be its own separate video. And then starting next Tuesday, we will finally drop the tranny to do the rear man seal where the leak is coming from, as well as do the water pump and everything like that, so we can get prepare for the track and get it dialed in right before February or by February, because that's when I'm planning to do it. So hope you guys liked today's video. I know it's just doing like random little things, but it is what it is, so I can get the car running for the track and so I can pass inspection. So make sure you guys like the subscribe button. Make sure you guys give a like, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys build humbly, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.